and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sean. I'm back for another video and welcome to a Target haul. I have been shopping at Target for years, but I haven't done a whole lot of Target hauls on my YouTube channel. So I thought when I was in there recently that I would share with you guys my fabulous and affordable finds. So if you guys like Target hauls, definitely let me know in the comment section. And speaking of affordable, I also want to share with you guys 2 affordable new fragrances that I've added to my perfume collection. Now this video is in collaboration with w.o.c, in case you guys haven't heard of them. w.o.c sells like designer dupes or designer inspired fragrances as low as $29. Brands like Tom Ford, Terry Mugler, Chanel, all of these inspired fragrances that are typically pretty pricey, theirs are a lot more affordable. You get a lot of bang for your buck with w.o.c. And I have 2 scents that I want to share with you guys. Now they come in a little box like this, really cute packaging that I happen to be matching today. It says iconic scents, designer quality, and no markups. Now the first scent that I have is this one right here, and this is by Terry Mugler. This is the inspired version of their Angel perfume. Now this one has mandarin, berries, passion fruit, patchouli, honey, plum, caramel, vanilla, cocoa. Those base notes of the caramel and the cocoa definitely give it some warmth. This would be great in like cool weather as well. But I would definitely wear this like on a date night. It smells so good. I absolutely love this scent, but this next one is me all the way. Now my husband loves the smell of vanilla on me, so I always get vanilla lotions and body washes and stuff like that. This one is w.o.c.'s version of Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanille. This is an eau de parfum. This one, if you love the smell of vanilla, this is a very intense, sexy, grown vanilla scent right here. And this is their Oriental Tobacco. Now this one has tobacco, ginger, apricot, honey, vanilla, cocoa, tonka bean, dry fruits, and blonde woods. This one, I have this one sprayed here on my wrist. This is my scent of the day. Like this one, I just cannot get enough of. My husband is gonna love it. It's like spicy vanilla. It's so grown, so sexy. You are going to turn heads with this scent. All right, so if you're new to w.o.c, be sure to click the link below to take advantage of their 20% off welcome offer. And also be sure to use my promo code, which is Sean10, and you can get an additional 10% off. So you can get 30% off if you're brand new to w.o.c. That is a really good deal. The scents are amazing and the quality is incredible. So huge thank you to them for sending me over these fragrances and working with me on another video. Now without any further ado, let's jump into the goodies that I got from Target, because this bag right here that I'm going to share with you guys is filled with some goodies. Now I love denim, but I am a short, curvy girl and I hate to wear a belt. So finding denim that fits me in the hips, the thighs, the butt, the waist, and the length, it's always a chore. But I found the perfect short girl friendly jeans and I wanted to share them with you guys. And that's these jeans right here. I got so much stuff coming out of here. Here they are. I love the wash on them. For the longest time, I was a really dark wash skinny jean type girl, but they say skinny jeans are out. I'm not sure, but anyway, I have these and they have all of the ripping and the distressing on them, and I like the length on them. They kind of have that like raw, rough edge on these. Now they do button up. This is by Wild Fable. They were only $22, which is a really good deal for some really good denim. Now you can wear this a bunch of different ways. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do a styling video featuring these jeans, because I think you can wear this in so many different ways for the spring and for the summer. So I have this, and then I also have these. Now I'm gonna be going to the beach this month in June, so you cannot go wrong with a pair of cutoff shorts for the spring and summer. So I have this pair right here, loving the wash. They have a nice little bit of distressing on them, and as you guys can see, they have some stretch. I love things that have some stretch because of my curves. They would look good with this little crop top that I'm wearing today as well. This is from Universal Thread, and these cutoff shorts were $17.99. Now this one right here is supposed to smooth and sculpt. We'll see. Again, a bunch of different styling options for a pair of cutoff shorts, but I have this pair as well. And then I got this little top right here because it looked really breathable and light, and I could definitely see me wearing this with the cutoffs and maybe like a kimono over it or something like that. It's just a simple white little top. As you guys see, it has a kind of a deeper V on it, but it's lightweight. It's kind of in this burnout material, so it's really nice and breathable. Like I could see me just wearing these two together and maybe like some Converse or adding this and putting a white blazer and adding some heels in a white bag. Like, girl, we can do a lot. Okay, so I have these pieces. And then up next, because I needed a couple more like regular basic bras, so I got this little 2-pack of bras right here. I need more like nude bras that can't be seen underneath my clothes, and I love t-shirt bras or like really light ones. These are super duper light. They have a very light wiring in them, but as you guys see, I have this little 2-pack. This was 2 for $19.99. Now this isn't nude for me, it's more like a beige on me, but depending on your skin tone, this might be nude for you. This is actually a really nice, soft, quality bra. So I got this little 2-pack, and then because do your bra and panties match? I mean, to me, when my bra and panties match, I feel like I'm that chick. Okay, so I had to get matching panties and bras. So with the nude one, I got this pair, which I really like. I'm only showing you guys panties because I think they're awesome, because they don't have like any lines. If you're trying to like smooth out your lines underneath like a bodycon skirt or a bodycon dress and you don't want to wear a thong, something like this where it's like seamless is really good to wear underneath stuff that's form-fitting. And then these are cute and I got them to go with the black bra right there, and I just have these right here. I love these. I thought they were really pretty, but the back, completely lacy in the back, so cute. These are lace cheekies. I got both of these in a medium, so like I said, I like my bra and panties to match whenever I can. All right, so I don't have a whole lot of homeware items, but I do have a couple that I want to share with you guys. I got some bowls. I'm gonna show you guys a couple of them. Just these little black bowls. I love black dishware. Stuff like this is awesome for like your soups, your stews, things like that, my parfaits, a bowl of ice cream, whatever. And my dishware is already black and red, so I thought I would add some more black bowls to the mix because I feel like my bowls are missing. I don't know if my daughters are breaking them and hiding them in the trash or what, but like I'm down to like 4 bowls and I'm like, how did this happen? All right, so up next I have this right here. It's like a little small little drawer right here. It's supposed to be for under your bathroom sink, which is what I wanted to use it for. It's in the silver. I actually have this for my feminine care items. Right now I have them in like a little bin, but I would rather have them in like a little drawer like this when I can slide it out and I can get to like, you know, like feminine wipes and, you know, sanitary pads and stuff like that. I just want it to be neater and I want to have it all organized underneath my bathroom sink. So I got this really cute one in silver. This is stackable, so you can definitely get more, but when I went there they only had the one, so I'm hoping I can go back and get another one because I had at least like 2 layers of drawers. I don't know if they even have this anymore. This is like for a future event that I'm gonna have, and it just says, oh snap, please use our hashtag. I hope to have another high heels, high standards event now that, you know, we're traveling a little bit more, and I definitely want to bring this with me because y'all know I love to take pictures whenever I host my women's events. And then I have 2 other items that I want to share with you guys that I got from Target. And that is this right here. Now this is one of my favorite makeup remover wipes. This one's from Neutrogena. It's their cleansing towelette. Love these. Now I like to do my skincare routine whenever I'm taking off my makeup, but sometimes you're tired and you don't feel like a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 step, you know, skincare routine. Sometimes you want something super easy, just like a makeup wipe it off and you're done for the night. So I like to have these on hand for the times when I'm being super duper lazy. And then last but certainly not least, I have this right here, and this is by Dr. Bronner's. This is the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 hemp baby scented pure castile soap. Now this soap, I love Dr. Bronner's all the way because I've been using their products for years. You can use this in a lot of different things, whether it's to wash my locks. I like to wash my locks with Dr. Bronner soap, especially the peppermint one. I also like to wash my makeup brushes. You can use this for so many different things. It's a very, very powerful soap. You can wash your body with this. I like to do that as well. But this is awesome. It's a multi-use soap. So anyway, that has been it for my super quick Target haul. Just a couple of things that I got while I was there. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want me to do a whole styling video showing you guys how I would style the denim cutoffs and the jeans that I got. I think they're gonna be so cute. I'm getting a lot of wear out of those. And huge thank you to Dossier for sending me over these scents and collaborating with me on this video. Be sure to use the code Sean10 to get a nice little discount. I'll be sure to link them below. Awesome perfumes for an incredible price, starting as low as $29. You cannot beat that. They also have like colognes and stuff like that, and Father's Day is coming up, so if you're looking for a good gift idea for the man on your list, you might want to check them out for their colognes as well. And if you like this video, you'll love my last one. I'll do you a favor and I'll link it for you right here. Be sure to subscribe right here. Till next time, later divas and dudes. This is Honey.